So finally cleaning the Talon, and someone noticed that it was really dirty and they sent me a bunch of stuff. So while cleaning the engine bay, I already stumbled across something that it completely blew my mind. Oh wow, look at that. What it does to the headlights.
Oh my.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You want a cleaner that can literally melt away and create a solution in 30 seconds. Well, I found the perfect job for Superclean, so I want to show it to you. Yeah. Okay. So this is what I want to accomplish. This is where the hood kept the sun off the headlight, and then this down here we've got a lot of oxidation left. My goal is to get this clear white back into the Talon headlight here. And definitely want to get a coating of water on whatever you're working with. Let's see how much the aerosol we have left. I'd have to say the aerosol is my favorite. You know, it could be etching the plastic as well. Here's some concentrate, regular Superclean. And be careful on your paint too. Work fast. The front of them are clearing up. I can see the top. Most of the water's out of it. Let's put some more amazing Superclean on. Look, you can see all of the dirt just coming off. Dirt, oxidation. I think we got a lot more off. We didn't have that crazy effect that I saw when we very first put it on the headlight a week ago or so. But the definition back in the lens is just, it's awesome. I'm so stoked that didn't have to take sandpaper to them. So we're gonna let this dry and then come back and see what it looks like. And we'll know whether it's worth it or not to super clean your headlights on your Talon. Soap, water, cleaning. While that headlight's drying, I'm gonna show you what I saw with the Superclean that I'm so excited about. Okay, that was just water out of the hose, and feel free to come in for the action. Look at that. There's some more water. Here's my favorite part. You guys ready for this? Look at that. Isn't that crazy? Oh my goodness. Literally, the sun has just been hanging out on the headlight. Look, it's pulling more out. Let's see if it even gets... Look at that. Another layer. It is just a miracle worker. This headlight was toast. Let's do another. Here we go. Just a little bit. Nice and clean. I think that's it. Just have a teeny bit coming off the edges of the black. So oxidation is removed. It completely wiped away. Got a foggy haze, and I'm pretty sure a coat of wax with rubbing compound, finishing compound will clean it up, or the 2K paints that you have to crack the 2-part, this can really change the headlight. I'm gonna do 2K on the Talon. Paint or polish would be the next step after that amazing removal of the oxidation. So let's go check out the Talon. So headlight has dried. There's a little bit of an improvement, but I think we really got the glaze off the first time the Superclean hit it the other day when we were washing the engine bay down. But this headlight, you can see it's almost dry, and wasn't that impressive? It just melted off. Hazy, but not yellow. I think that this would be a lot safer to drive around on than those yellow headlights. Gonna put some 2K on it. We'll revisit both of these. We'll practice here, and then we'll see if we can get some definition back in the lens on the Talon. So if you are new to the channel and you have just saw me in my car here, I have a lot of experience with the Mitsubishi 4G63s, and I absolutely love sports cars. So if you want to hang out with me on my journey of doing some resto mods on my Talon, be sure to subscribe. It's free, doesn't cost anything, and we'll be hanging out next time. Maybe we'll go for a cruise. Got a lot of videos on my channel doing that. Love driving the most. We'll see you out at the track.